Our Infinite Brain AI operating system just automated our entire business with over 100 automations and workflows on N8N in less than 2 hours. And the AI operating system that we have designed is specifically optimized for this to basically connect with external tools like N8N while having the ultimate context about your business and you. And when you connect those two things, you get incredible results. We have obviously talked about the Infinite Brain a lot on this channel before, but it essentially gives AI the ultimate context about you and your business. It has infinite memory, stores all of your previous sessions, results, and outputs. And when you allow AI with the ultimate context about exactly what tasks it can automate, and you connect that to N8N to actually allow the AI to build those automations, it means that you can build all of this out in just a couple hours, which means that you will end up actually saving hours every single day in the future. So in this video, my business partner Andrew will show you exactly how he did exactly this. He used the Infinite Brain and N8N and created over 100 workflows and automations in less than 2 hours to essentially automate most of our business. And we're going to show you how you can do this for yourself. Now, if you want to download the Infinite Brain or check it out, the link is down below. It is open sourced and free. The link to our school where we have all of the courses and walkthroughs, etc., is also down there, plus the link to N8N if you don't have an N8N account. It's a super powerful tool that you can check out as well. If you enjoyed the video, smash a like and subscribe, and I will hand it over to Andrew.
All right, so over the last few weeks on the channel, we've been talking a lot about building your own AI brain and using this brain to help you make decisions, but also how to basically move your organization to be AI first through the brain. What we'll look at today is actually giving that brain the ability to take action and build automations for you. So let's get started. So just quick 30-second primer on where the brain fits in. So we have the models, so like Claude, OpenAI, all those pieces, and you can chat with them in chat, but we recommend not doing that, actually chatting with them in the brain layer. And then having the brain in between that and anything that you may have the AI do, whether that's N8N or Gmail or Google Docs or anything like that. And we've also given away a free version of the Infinite Brain system. And this is where you can connect all of your commands, rules, agents, workflow skills. And this is the beginning system, which you can then use to run your entire business and migrate all of your human knowledge into this AI knowledge base so that AI can start helping you more with your business and your projects. I do want to give a quick analogy as to what we're talking about. The problem with the brain is you don't want the brain just sitting in a vat. Like basically, maybe it has infinite intelligence, but if it can't do anything, then it's not going to help you. So we're actually now building an entire operating system around the brain. So not only do you want the brain, and I think there are a lot of people who are taking the brain and putting too much inside of it. And there's a lot of things we've decided to keep out of the brain, like actions and automations. We want the brain to be able to know about them, but we don't want the brain to be doing the actions and things like that. So for that, we actually want to partner with a tool called N8N. We're also working on a video as well with a tool called Make, showing how that can connect to the Infinite Brain. But basically you can see the brain exists, but then it syncs with several pieces, whether that's like the harness, like Claude Code, or the models, which is like ChatGPT or Claude, conversation layers, or always on like Hermes, Codex and OpenAI with voice is kind of what we're using there. But what we're going to talk about today is automations. So having your brain where it can actually take action and build automations for you. And at this point, we're thinking about two different things. There's N8N, which has been a really popular tool that's gone super viral on YouTube. And then another one that's also gone super viral on YouTube is Make. So in today's video, we're going to look at N8N, but tomorrow's video will show what you can do with Make. The crazy thing that we're going to do today is I took earlier today an hour-long interview between me and AI, just talking about all the tasks in my business. And then I fed that to the brain, and the brain is designed to integrate really well with these two tools. We've actually built everything on N8N. But what's cool, as part of our Infinite Brain system, which by the way is free, anybody can download it and use it. We'll have a link at the bottom of the video if you want to build your own. The brain is perfectly designed to interview you and then build these automations for you. So just for free, it can set up N8N for you, self-hosted, so it's software that you own yourself. It can actually build the automations that you would need. And used to, you'd have to have a consultant spend a lot of time on that. If you're a consultant, you don't have to be worried because there's still a lot of work to do. I'll go more into that in a second. But I do think it's still absolutely amazing what you can do. So I took that hour-long interview and then I gave it to my AI. I basically chatted with my brain and I said, hey, here's all the automations, all the tasks, every single action that I think we could take in the business. And then from there, I did a prompt with Claude Code. And I literally just had Claude Code build me an N8N. I then had to give the API key, which is super simple. I'll just show you. Like once N8N set up, you do have to set up like your username, your login. That's all very easy. And then all you have to do is you have to have a way where you can click this N8N API and then you can actually connect your API. And from this screen, you can create a new API key, and then you can give this to Claude. If you do it with the brain, we have a secure way for you to have secrets and passwords and store those. This is all you have to do. And then from here, the brain is already an N8N expert and can design all of this and implement everything for you. It can build all the automations. I took that hour-long interview of my time, and then I let Claude Code run for about 37 minutes. And what it did is it took my entire interview and converted that into 108 different automations that needed to be added, and it built all of them in N8N right away. So you can see here, we have reports on end-to-end funnels. We have something to catch retention when we have people that drop off, watching for anomalies on our YouTube channel, looking at click-through and retention outlier alerts so that we can actually see if there's any issues with those particular metrics, daily KPI snapshots, building video transcripts so that our lesson feedback intake. So this is basically if somebody gave us feedback on one of our course on one of our lessons in our system, we can actually take that and immediately act on it. So this is really cool that it thought through and built everything out that we could possibly need. But I do want to be honest about something, because this did build 106 automations, and this is amazing. So if you open this up, AI has already created all of these steps. So basically there's like a webhook. So other AI agents can actually call this and say, hey, do our view anomaly watch. And then also there could be a trigger that's scheduled that's maybe like, hey, every Monday, once a month, once a day, like whatever we need, we can schedule a trigger for it that then runs this. So those are the two ways this gets initiated. And then it has some initial context. From that initial context that then does this call for the API. I didn't actually wire this with our live API credentials for this, which in a second I'll talk about how like we haven't fully tested these, and that's a big gap. But just to show you for the example of AI being able to build it out, it did go ahead and build this like ability to call YouTube and get our analytics, which is what our anomalies would be if we had like a watch time or something like that change. It then does a computation where it analyzes everything and sees if there's any anomalies just using machine learning and other things like that. And then it takes whatever its like analysis is and then converts that to a text file, puts it on an anomaly log. And then at that point, if there's ever a big one, like basically no anomaly, it kind of ends. And then if there's a bigger one, then it can actually send us a message on our Telegram. So anyway, so this is one example of an automation that has all these steps and that basically any one of your agents in your brain can trigger via the webhook. And you can also set up different triggers for different time frames if you want to do daily, weekly. You know, maybe you need 2 or 3 versions of this, but you could basically duplicate this and have the whole thing work. And you would just need to make sure your YouTube API key is all set up properly. But yeah, so this is so amazing to me because this is what AI was able to make 108 of in this short time. And then, yeah, they need to be tested, which we'll talk about here in a second. But I still think this is really insane and such a huge change from the options we had in like 2023 or 2024 versus what we have now. If you plug Claude Code plus a brain layer between you chatting with AI and AI taking action in these applications like N8N. But to be super clear, this would not solve all of my business problems. This solves a really big portion of one piece. And then, so if you thought about this before, like people would sell these services of building all these automations, automating a business. It was a whole thing that used to exist. But what you do is you'd have to scope out everything. That's like my hour-long interview. You would then have to build it. And this is actually in the new system, Claude was able to do all of this. And then you'd have to start testing. So the thing is that I know for a fact if I ran these workflows, there would be errors, there'd be issues, some of the secrets may be wrong, and there's probably a few rounds of testing. So the truth is that we probably have built 108, but we now need to test, and maybe we could test like 5 a day. So it's not like you can automate your entire business or your entire life in just like 2 hours, but you can get through step 1 and step 2 in like 2 hours, and then you can test and then integrate it the rest of the way. But I do think this is 100% true that the integration part is the human's responsibility. Like maybe you can tell AI to do it, but you have to be the one to take the initiative on this. So there's a lot of people, if you're like an N8N consultant or a make.com consultant or somebody else that builds these automations, I think adopting your own brain to build automations in this exact way is probably exactly what you need. And the truth is your clients still won't leave you or anything like that because the scoping and the testing and the integrating are so key, and that still takes up a lot of time. So it's really just been this one step that's been fixed, but I think it's like an absolutely amazing step that now exists. And once again, if anybody wants access to this, like you can hire us. We have a form where if you want to work with Mats and I, we can actually build your company brain, connect all of your data to it, train your team, and start building all the automations you need to automate your business, and then training your humans on how to work on top of it. That is our AI Architect service. And if anybody wants to work with us, feel free to reach out. But also, if you don't have to hire us to have all this power. We actually give this away for free as our Infinite Brain system. So if you sign up for the email below, we'll send the Infinite Brain system to you right away with prompts on how you can have Claude set all this up for you. And then if you want to go deeper, we do have a school community as well where we help people implement the Infinite Brain, and we share more of the secrets and things that we work with on our clients and some of the other aspects of like how to truly integrate AI into your operations.
And there you have it. That's exactly how you can combine our Infinite Brain operating system with N8N to automate most of your business in less than a day. If you have any questions at all, do let us know down below in the comment section and we will try to answer. You can also check out our school down below where we have complete courses on this sort of stuff like the Infinite Brain, etc. And we just try to help out with any project or question you may have. But these are the sort of services that we also offer different companies. At the moment, we are building out complete company brains or company operating systems for their AI and automating as much as possible within their business. So if you have any interest in working with us to basically help you do that for your business, you can always reach out down below. All the links are there. And like I mentioned in the start, if you don't have N8N, it's a super powerful tool, especially now that you can easily connect it with your AI. So the link to that is also down below if you want to check it out. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel and let us know what you want to see next. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys in the next one.